Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the ILIFE Shinebot W400s Mopping Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: maximum cleaning area will be 600 square feet, 4 different cleaning modes. The 0.85-liter water tank to spray clean water and the 0.9-liter water tank to collect dirty water. The ILIFE Shinebot W400s uses a 4-stage cleaning system that allows the device to thoroughly and efficiently clean the floor. This is a simple system, but it works incredibly well. Right away, the ILIFE Shinebot W400s uses clean water to moisten the floor. Then, after that, it uses a microfiber roller to scrub the floor so that it can loosen up any gunk and grime and remove any stains. After that, the dirty water is sucked back into the ILIFE Shinebot W400s. Finally, the residue is scraped off of the surface. This process leads to a floor that is clean and beautiful. To use the ILIFE Shinebot W400s, you need to pour clean water into a 0.9-liter tank. There are 2 tanks, and the other 0.9-liter tank is for the dirty water and grime that is sucked back into the mop. When you have poured the clean water into the tank and made sure that the microfiber roller is as clean as it can be, you just press the clean button, which is right on top of the ILIFE Shinebot W400s. If you want the ILIFE Shinebot W400s to clean in a particular manner, then you can choose a cleaning mode. You have 4 cleaning modes to choose from. The first cleaning mode is Path mode. Path mode is when you have a full water tank, and this mode involves cleaning a larger space in a systematic manner. It's a quick cleaning mode that takes no more than 40 minutes, but it ensures that your floors are clean. The second cleaning mode is Area mode. Area mode is when the W400s cleans a particular area in a thorough manner. After that, you have Spot mode, and Spot mode is when the ILIFE Shinebot deep cleans one area using a spiral pattern. Finally, you have Edge mode, which is when the Shinebot W400s cleans the edges of the walls that are in whatever space it is in. You can use the ILIFE Shinebot W400s on just about any hard floor. It doesn't matter if the hard floor is made out of tile, stone, hardwood, laminate, tile, etc., you can use the ILIFE Shinebot W400 to clean it. And you can use the Shinebot W400s to clean up the gunk and grime that has attached itself to your floor, as well as thick stains that have been on your floors for a while.